Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV. Yes, really amazing news for our viewer. Yeah, in a process that is remarkably close to how we take out our household trash. Every single cell in your body has the ability to wrap up any unwanted material in a double membrane sac and send it to be degraded and recycled in lysosomes, the cell incinerator. Amazing, sir. And much like at home, if no one takes out the trash, it starts to pile up. And if that happens, the cell will accumulate damage or eventually die. In a new study by researchers from the Department of Biomedicine at Arthur's University has uncovered how the cells grew the process up and down, depending on the need, says Professor Fulvio Regori. The paper is published in the journal Nature Structural and Molecular Biology. We have identified the molecular switch that tells the cell to start expanding the sac to feed the trash, which is akin to finding the gas and brake pedals on a garbage truck. Viewers, knowing how to start and stop the cleaning systems open doors to treatments where we need to either step on the gas and activate the cleaning to illness where bad cell materials start to pile up. So it might also show us the way to hit the brakes on cancer cells that needs this process to survive. The important regulator is called YPT1, has RAB1 and is a teeny part of a complicated process. Yes, it requires more research before we can effectively translate the findings to usable treatments, explains Regori. Essentially, what happens in a cell is that an initial trash bag is formed through a series of steps, but then it must increase in size to anaerobe the material that must be destroyed. So, the enlargement of this sac occurs by the acquisitions of lipids through a bridge that is established with a major lipid factory in the cell. Main the exclusive report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, Bharat.